On the surface of the world right now there is war, but calmly, quietly, at the same time something else is happening underground. An inner revolution is taking place, and certain individuals are being called to a higher inner light. It is a silent revolution from the inside out, from the ground up. It is time for us to reveal ourselves. We are embedded agents of a secret, undercover, clandestine, spiritual conspiracy. We have sleeper cells in every nation on the planet. You won't see us on TV. You won't hear about us on the radio. You won't read about us in a newspaper. We don't seek any glory. We don't wear any uniform. We come in all shapes and sizes, colors and styles. Most of us work anonymously. We are quietly working behind the scenes in every country and culture of the world, in cities big and small, mountains, valleys, farms, villages, tribes, and remote islands. You can pass by one of us on the street and not even notice. We go undercover. We remain behind the scenes. It is of no concern to us who takes the final credit, simply that the work gets done. Occasionally, we spot each other in the world. We give a quiet nod and continue on our way so no one will notice. During the day, many of us pretend we have jobs, but behind the false storefront. At night, that's where the real work takes place. Some call us the conscious army. We are recruiting. We are slowly creating a new world with the power of our minds and, more importantly, our hearts. We follow with passion and joy. Our orders come from the Central Command, the Spiritual Intelligence Agency. We are dropping soft, secret love munitions around the world when no one is looking, by way of poems, hugs, music, photography, movies, kind words, smiles, meditation, prayer, dance, social activism, websites, blogs, YouTube channels, and random acts of kindness. We each express ourselves in our own unique ways with our own unique gifts and talents. Believe there is good in the world, be the good. That is the motto that fills our hearts. We know it is the only way real transformation takes place. We know that quietly, humbly, we have the power of all the oceans combined. Our work is slow and meticulous, like the formation of mountains. It is not even visible at first glance, and yet, with it, entire tectonic plates shall be moved in the centuries to come. Love is the new religion of the 21st century. You don't have to be a highly educated person or have any exceptional knowledge to understand it. It comes from the intelligence of the heart, embedded in the timeless evolutionary pulse of all human beings. Be the change you want to see in the world. Nobody else can do it for you. We are always recruiting. Perhaps you will join us, or you already have. All are welcome. Knock and the door is open for you, brothers and sisters.